Digital solutions for the HoReCa industry. Operating in the European hospitality sector means you are constantly balancing a million things at once. Every single day, you are overseeing complex operations, managing resources, and pushing to deliver an exceptional experience for your patrons. You already know that keeping a competitive edge means regularly looking under the hood of your business. We focus on transforming that operational reality. By addressing the core mechanics of what you do, we help you extract the right information, smooth out your workflows, and help you hit your medium and long-term targets. But the reality is often complicated by the things you just cannot see.
Are invisible costs and unpredictable demand holding back your operations? You know firsthand how tough the current landscape can be. Fluctuating demand and sudden staff bottlenecks are daily realities that complicate life for directors and owners alike. And often, these hurdles aren't immediately obvious. They are hidden right there in your daily routines. Unpredictable shifts in footfall can leave you overstaffed on a surprisingly quiet afternoon, or struggling to keep up service quality during an unexpected rush. These invisible costs quietly eat away at your profitability. Acknowledging these operational hurdles really is the first step in optimizing how your establishment functions.
Managing surplus, stockouts, and hidden bottlenecks. Think about the heavy burden of manual tracking for a second. When you rely on older, manual methods to monitor your resources, you are essentially creating unnecessary friction for your team, and that friction directly impacts your ability to maintain consistent quality. Tracking inventory by hand or trying to estimate demand based on memory usually leads to two incredibly frustrating outcomes. Either you end up with a surplus of perishable goods that just goes to waste, or you hit sudden stockouts that disappoint your customers. These hidden bottlenecks slow down your service, drain your operational efficiency, and pull your focus completely away from strategic growth.
Let's look at a use case: inventory and offer management. When we deeply analyze historical sales data, very distinct patterns start to emerge. This isn't about guesswork anymore, it's about anticipation. Processing this data helps to accurately forecast demand. You can see exactly which items move quickly on specific days and which ones are underperforming. Having that kind of clarity facilitates precise purchasing planning. It allows your business to align its inventory directly with actual customer behavior, optimizing your supply chain all the way from the kitchen right to the table.
It is a stark contrast between food waste and surplus on one hand and optimized purchasing planning on the other. On one side is the traditional reality, surplus accumulation and the constant threat of running out of key stock. But on the other side, data-backed planning helps mitigate these issues. Instead of constantly reacting to inventory emergencies, you can proactively manage your resources. That reduces waste, protects your margins, and keeps your kitchen prepared to meet customer demand without carrying unnecessary excess.
Here is another use case: cost control and supplier analysis. This proactive approach extends directly into how you manage costs. Digging into your supplier information can actually uncover savings that were completely invisible before. When we implement data-driven purchasing management, you gain a clear, objective view of your supplier costs and historical spending. This level of analysis helps identify money leaks that might otherwise just slip under the radar. Armed with objective metrics, you are in a much stronger position to renegotiate purchasing conditions, reduce unnecessary expenses, and meaningfully improve your overall profitability.
Next is the use case for customer dynamics and business intelligence. This predictive capability applies directly to how your customers behave. By studying anonymous customer data and integrating external factors like calendars, we help you forecast influx with remarkable precision. Predictive analytics allow you to anticipate how seasonality, local events, or even sudden changes in the weather will impact your reservations and footfall. Understanding these dynamics helps you adapt your offer, refine the experience inside your establishment, and predict what your customers need before they even walk through the door.
Now consider the use case for IoT and real-time monitoring. Physical operations benefit enormously from digital integration. Through real-time monitoring using IoT sensors, you get an objective, real-time view of your establishment's environment. These devices collect data that detects unusual material wear or strange performance in your equipment. This kind of remote monitoring allows for predictive maintenance, meaning you can anticipate faults or breakdowns before they actually disrupt your service. It also facilitates compliance with safety and quality standards, maintaining a smooth, uninterrupted experience for your staff and your customers alike.
Let's contrast intuition-based management with data-driven management. The difference really lies in how you navigate all these daily challenges. Intuition-based management relies on assumptions, and naturally, that can lead to inconsistencies. A data-driven approach means working with a clear, factual vision of what is actually happening. We provide comprehensive data management so that your daily operations and your major decisions are grounded firmly in objective criteria.
So how does this work in practice? Step 1, process data. Step 2, automate workflows. Step 3, advance towards goals. We structure this transformation very organically. Step 1 begins by processing data to capture the information that is already flowing through your business. In Step 2, we combine custom B2B programming to automate workflows, helping to resolve those internal bottlenecks without needing manual intervention. With these streamlined processes in place, you reach Step 3. Your organization is positioned to advance efficiently towards its goals. This systematic approach is designed to natively integrate into your daily activities, enhancing your workflow rather than disrupting it.
A crucial aspect of all this is digital and data sovereignty. We understand that your data is a highly valuable asset. That is exactly why we prioritize digital and data sovereignty. Your information is processed securely on servers hosted within the European Union. This approach not only provides you with complete transparency, but also facilitates compliance with current regulations, strongly reinforcing the protection of your business information. You retain control over your operational insights within a secure, robust environment.
Another key factor is native integration and modular scalability. We know that every entity has specific needs, and what serves you perfectly today might need to evolve tomorrow. Because of that, our solutions are independent and combinable. This modular scalability means you can activate exactly the services you need right now. As your organization grows and your objectives naturally shift, these solutions scale alongside you. Because they are conceived as a constituent part of your operational ecosystem, they integrate natively into your current setup, making the technical evolution smooth and manageable.
Amidst all this technology, there is the vital importance of valuing direct human relationships. Technology is a brilliant tool, but business is inherently human. We deeply value direct human relationships, favoring direct interaction over automated virtual assistants. When we collaborate, our aim is to form a genuine strategic partnership. We offer our services remotely, using technology to interact and provide robust support to your organization, but we do it always with a dedicated, personal approach that respects the unique, day-to-day challenges you face as a director.
It is incredibly powerful to contrast repetitive manual tasks with a strategic business focus. This digital evolution is fundamentally about redefining how your team actually spends their time. When you automate repetitive workflows with custom software, the value becomes instantly clear. You free your team from the heavy burden of routine administration. While the systems handle the data processing and task automation, your staff is empowered to focus their energy on high-level strategy, customer care, and driving operational growth. The result is continuous monitoring and objective outcomes. The real benefit of a fully integrated digital setup is this ability to maintain continuous monitoring. From the initial data collection straight through to its final visualization, you have a clear, uninterrupted view of your business realities. This means you can detect anomalies or internal risks promptly. Alerting your team to unusual sales patterns or operational friction allows for swift, effective interventions. Your decisions transition from being reactionary to proactive, consistently guided by objective outcomes.
As the quote goes, the objective of technology is to simplify everyday life. Ultimately, that is the goal here. Everything we implement, from process analysis through to automated workflows, is designed with a systemic and multilateral focus aimed squarely at business operations and the user experience. The true purpose of this digital evolution is simply to use technology to help you work better, to seamlessly improve your daily operations, and to open the door to new commercial opportunities in the digital market. Shall we talk?